Writing a personal blog involves a blend of storytelling and reflection, engaging the reader with your unique experiences. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to write a personal blog about your experiences, using storytelling techniques, tone, and structure that will captivate your readers and meet exam requirements. Let's dive in. When writing a personal blog in an exam, the prompt typically provides a context and audience. For example, you might be asked to write about a life-changing experience such as learning a new skill or overcoming a challenge. It's important to understand that personal blogs differ from formal essays in that they focus on personal experience. You'll share your own story, insights, and emotions. You're addressing a general, often undefined audience, people who might connect with your experience. The purpose is to share and reflect, while engaging and possibly inspiring your readers. Here's a structure to guide your personal blog writing. First, the title. Keep it catchy and reflective of the experience you're sharing. For example, how learning a new language transformed my identity. Next, the introduction. Start with a hook, something that captures your reader's attention, such as a bold statement or an intriguing question. Introduce the experience you'll be discussing, giving a glimpse into why it was significant for you. In the main body, the structure is flexible. The number of paragraphs will depend on your experience. Focus on telling the story in a clear, relatable way. Describe the key moments of the experience. Use vivid details and personal reflection to immerse the reader in your story. Explain how you felt and what you learned. You might discuss challenges you faced, how you overcame them, and how the experience shaped who you are today. Finally, the conclusion. Reflect on the impact of the experience. What lasting changes did it make in your life? Leave your readers with a question or reflection that invites them to think about their own similar experiences. Here are some specific features to keep in mind when writing a personal blog. Personal voice. Your blog should sound authentic and personal. Use first-person narrative I statements to make it feel more intimate. Engagement. Directly address your reader. Ask questions, share emotions, and reflect on your journey in a way that invites the reader to connect with you. Tone and register. Keep the tone semi-formal, conversational, and relatable. Your goal is to engage and entertain, not to sound overly serious. Anecdotal storytelling. Tell your story like you're sharing it with a friend. Include small, meaningful details that give the reader a sense of your personality. Provocative ending. End your blog with a thought-provoking statement or a question that leaves the reader thinking about your experience, and maybe reflecting on their own. How learning a new language transformed my identity. A few years ago, I had no idea that learning a new language could completely change how I see the world, and myself. It started as a challenge, a simple goal to learn French before my trip to Paris. But what I didn't expect was how this journey would shape my identity in ways I never imagined. The early struggles. At first, learning French was daunting. The grammar rules felt like an unsolvable puzzle, and I constantly stumbled over pronunciation. I remember sitting in my room, frustrated after an hour of trying to form basic sentences. I felt out of place, almost like I didn't belong in the world of French speakers. But something kept me going. A determination to push past the discomfort and discover something new about myself. A new sense of belonging. As my fluency grew, something unexpected happened. I began to feel a connection to French culture that went beyond just words. I wasn't just learning a language, I was stepping into a new world. From appreciating French films to understanding the nuances of French humor, my sense of belonging shifted. I wasn't an outsider anymore. I was part of something bigger, a global community that shared a passion for language and culture, confidence and transformation. Perhaps the biggest change came in my confidence. Speaking French wasn't just about communication anymore. It was about expressing myself in a way I never had before. I felt more open, more adventurous. In French, I found a version of myself that I hadn't known existed, someone who embraced challenges and celebrated small victories. It was in those moments that I realized how much learning a new language had transformed me. Conclusion: expanding my world. Learning French has given me more than just another way to communicate. It's given me a new identity. It has expanded my world, both culturally and personally. Now, when I think back to that moment of frustration in my room, I smile, knowing that the struggle was worth it. How has learning something new shaped who you are? To make your personal blog stand out, follow these essential tips. 1. Be relatable. Share your story in a way that readers can connect with emotionally. Be open about your struggles and triumphs. 2. Use sensory details. Engage the reader by describing how things looked, felt, or sounded during your experience. 3. Keep a conversational tone. Write as if you're talking directly to the reader. Use simple, clear language that invites them into your world. 4. Reflect on personal growth. Don't just narrate the event. Explain how it changed you. Reflection is key in a personal blog. And 5. Engage the reader with questions. Asking questions helps maintain the reader's interest and invites them to think about their own experiences. Do's and don'ts for personal blog writing. Do's. Be honest and authentic. Share your true feelings and thoughts, even if they are vulnerable. Incorporate reflections. Reflect on what the experience taught you and how it shaped you. Use vivid descriptions. Bring your story to life with sensory details. Don'ts. Don't over-explain. Focus on the key moments of your story. Don't get bogged down in unnecessary details. Don't write too formally. Keep the tone light and personal, even when discussing serious topics. Don't ignore the reader. Engage them throughout by asking questions or prompting reflection. Writing a personal blog is all about connecting with the reader through your story. By focusing on personal reflection, engaging storytelling, and clear structure, you'll create a blog that not only meets the exam requirements, but also resonates emotionally with your audience. Stay true to your experience, keep it conversational, and invite your reader to share in your journey. Good luck in your exams. Stay confident and keep your story at the heart of your writing. That wraps up today's video. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on writing and exam strategies. Happy blogging!